Good morning, all. Welcome to English Dizzy Lessons, Class 10, Subject English, Unit 1, Personality Development, Reading C, I Will Do It. And this is N. Sanjeeva Reddy, School Assistant English, working at JDPH Sambarpet in Katalapur Mandal, Jaitiyal district. Here, in this lesson, we are going to know about N.R. Narayana Murthy and his success, and also what are the problems he has faced, and what type of challenges he faced, and how did he overcome. And also we will learn, did he run away from the challenges, or how did he solve them, and how did he succeed. Murthy was short and he was the brightest boy in his class. There was a spark in his eyes when someone asked a question related to maths or physics. As he was a bright student, he could solve the problems very easily. He could understand the theories also very easily and quickly. His seniors used to ask him to solve the difficulties in science. Not only his classmates, but also his seniors used to ask him about their problems and difficulties in science. N.R. Narayana Murthy, he came from a poor but educated family. His father was a teacher. He was interested in reading English literature. He likes reading very much. His father was the single earning member in the family, and remaining family members all depend on his earnings. Like all other boys, Murthy was also trying to get admission into some engineering college. And the bright students want to join IIT. As you know, he was already the bright student, so he also wanted to join IIT. And he has a dream to study at IIT. It was his dream. So this was the institution he wanted to study. To join IIT, one has to write an entrance test. So Murthy and his friends decided to write the entrance examination. At that time, he was only 16 years old when he was writing the entrance exam. He discussed with his friends, and he and his friends applied to appear for the test along with remaining friends. To prepare for the entrance exam, they didn't have any special books or any coach. Murthy and his friends would sit and prepare under a tree near Chamundi Hills. They used to sit together and study together. Murthy was the guide for other IIT aspirants. He clarified their doubts. Who is writing IIT entrance exam? He clarified their doubts. He guided them how to read, how to prepare, how to study. When someone asked, please explain this, he would say, oh, sure. He would solve the problems which his friends could not solve in the question paper very quickly. The result was announced. Murthy got good rank in the entrance test. He felt very happy because he got good rank and his dream would come true. He was very happy. He thought his dream would come true. He would study at IIT. So he went to his father to tell the good news that he got good rank in the IIT entrance examination. Murthy went to his father. He was reading the newspaper. And here is the conversation between Murthy and his father.
Morning, Dad.
Good morning, Murthy. You are looking so happy. What happened?
Dad, IIT results came.
Okay. Have you passed the exam?
Yes, Dad, I have got high rank.
Well done, my boy. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dad. I want to join IIT.
My son, you are a bright boy. You know our financial position.
Yes, Dad. I know our financial position. It is my dream to join IIT.
Murthy, I am a salaried person. I cannot afford your expenses at IIT.
But Dad, I I want to study in IIT.
My son, you can stay in Mysore and study as much as you want.
Okay, Dad.
Very good, my boy. You understood my problem. Hearing this, Murthy felt unhappy and he left that place. He was very sad, he was very disappointed because his dream may not come true. He was disappointed. His father was also sad to say the truth about the financial position to his son. Murthy's heart sank in sorrow. It seemed his dreams had burnt to ashes. As he was an introvert, he didn't share his feelings with anyone. Murthy's classmates were leaving for Madras. They were going to Madras by train. They were very happy because they are going to join a new college, new friends. They were excited and talking loudly. They were discussing their new hostels and new courses. Murthy went to the station to see off his friends. He stood there silently. One of his friends came to him and said, Murthy, you should have made it. Murthy did not say anything, but he said, all the best, my dear friends. He didn't reply, he only wished all of them. His friends waved at him as the train slowly left the platform. It was getting dark. He stood there at the station. He said to himself, without anger or jealousy, he said to himself, all students from the IIT study well and do big things in life. But it is not the institution. Ultimately, it is you and you alone who can change your life by hard work. This he told himself. Murthy worked very hard. He never worried about his personal life and comforts. He shared his wealth with others. He never used the help of any caste, community, or political connections to go up in his life. And he believed in teamwork. He proved that we can earn wealth legally and ethically. He built a team of people who were equally good. So this was his team, Murthy, Narayana Murthy's team. And here, the founder of Infosys, Narayana Murthy. Murthy became a pioneer of India's software industry. He really believes in the motto, powered by intellect and driven by values. So this is one of the campuses of Infosys. You can see here, powered by intellect, driven by values. That is the motto of that company and as well as Murthy. This is another campus of Infosys. And here to succeed, we need hard work, discipline, sharing our feelings and wealth, teamwork. Then we will succeed. There is no shortcut to success. If you want something, work for it. Dedication, determination, and discipline will help you in reaching great heights. All the best. Happy learning. Keep learning. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel NSR English Nalla. Like the video, share the video.